Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at N-FAB's Growler Fleet Running Boards, and with N-FAB we have Eric. How you doing, Eric?
I'm good, how are you?
Doing awesome, thanks for coming today.
You bet.
So Eric, there's a couple of things I want to cover in this video today. First of all is going to be the features and benefits and what makes this board stand out on the market today. And then we'll get into the installation and show just how easy or difficult this is to install for the viewer at home. With that said though, give us the full 9 yards of this product.
Yeah, so our new Growler Fleet Step is more of a running board style, as you can see. Features a 7-inch wide board with ultimate traction, as you can see. So
Absolutely.
Made for the guy that's getting in and out of his truck all day at construction site, you know, in all the weather conditions, the mud, the rain, snow, stuff like that.
And you don't want to be slipping in those cases.
No, that's right.
Absolutely. So what about the finishes? Do you offer any kinds of finishes or configurations for this product?
Yeah, so the Growler Fleet Board is going to be coming in a cap length configuration and a texture black finish. With that, we can offer a 5-year finish warranty and a lifetime workmanship as well.
Awesome. Now, does this have a one-piece design like some of your other boards, or is this a modular design? How does that work?
Yeah, this has modular brackets that are pressed broken steel, so it's very strong. So the installation time may differ, you know, depending on how good you are at installing these type of products.
Absolutely. And with that said, that's a perfect segue into the installation. So on a scale of 1 to 10, which is where we like to rate these things, how would you rate this for the average viewer at home that maybe doesn't have any experience on, again, that scale of 1 to 10, but also give us that timeline of how long this will take us at home?
Yeah, so I'd probably rate it at a 3, something like that, maybe a 3, maybe a 4.
Okay.
Just kind of depending on the experience that they have with installing things like that. Only because the brackets aren't modular, so they are separate from the running board themselves. And as far as time, I would say less than 30 minutes. Anyone should be able to install these themselves, even in the driveway if they need to.
Easy enough.
That's right.
So guys at home, it does sound like this is something you can do fairly easily on your own, and I think you can do that. But if you have any hesitations, questions, or just don't want to do the install, check below in the description. We'll have a dealer locator there, so you can find a dealer in your area who's more than happy to make this install happen for you. All right, guys, so that's a wrap on N-FAB's Growler Fleet Running Boards. Before we go, though, Eric, thank you for coming in today.
Thank you.
It's been a great pleasure.
You bet.
Now, guys at home, if you have any questions or comments about the product, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you just want more details about the product, check below in the description. We'll have a part number and a dealer locator once again, so you can find this product at a dealer in your area. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.